and welcome to my channel, Infinite Intuition. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if not, then just welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video today. So as you see, I kind of have my board off to the side here, and that's because I actually want to include images on the side as we go through the questions that I'm about to ask. So today we're going to be talking about earthquakes and tsunamis. These messages have popped up before on my channel about this event happening in Mexico. I do encourage you to watch Mystic Shadows. She does have quite a few videos on this topic, and she might actually have some questions that I'm not touching on. So please give her a watch. There was a viewer who did ask a series of questions. Most of them were political, and then there was this one question about the earthquakes. So I did include your question in on this video because I was planning on making another earthquake and tsunami video to begin with before you had asked those questions. So yeah, I just inserted that question into this reading. But let's go ahead and get into this and see what my guides have to say. Will there be an earthquake in Mexico this month, March 2025? Yes, thank you. Will it start in Jalisco, Mexico? Yes, thank you. Will the surrounding areas be affected? Yes, thank you. Will it extend past those surrounding areas? Possibly. Okay, thank you. Is it a possibly because we still have time for prayer to take effect on lessening the magnitude of this earthquake? Yes, thank you. Will it extend to the U.S. border of Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and South California? No, thank you. Will Central America be affected? Yes, thank you. Will Northern South America be affected? No, thank you. Can you point to the number of the magnitude in which this earthquake will be at? Okay, it kind of looks like they're pointing in between 6 and 7. So are you saying it's a magnitude of between 6.0 and 7.0? Yes, thank you. Okay. I feel like last time in my video we actually got a 5, so that did increase. Will people be notified in time to escape before the earthquake hits? Yes, okay, good, thank you. Will this earthquake cause a tsunami? Yes, thank you. Will it go up the west coast of the U.S.? Yes, thank you. Will it extend to Northern California? No. Okay, thank you. I think last time we got a yes, but it didn't go up to Oregon or Washington. Will it go up to the middle of California? Yes. Okay, thank you. Will it hit the east coast of the U.S.? Yes, thank you. Will it extend to Florida? Yes, thank you. Will it extend past Florida? Okay, we got a possibly. And that again determines on whether prayer helps lessen the magnitude. Yes, thank you. Will the tsunami hit Central America? Yes, thank you. Will it hit Northern South America? Yes, thank you. Will it extend down the west coast of South America? Yes, thank you. Will it extend all the way down to Peru? No, thank you. Will it extend down to Ecuador? Yes, thank you. So it will only hit the west coast of Ecuador and Colombia? Yes, okay, thank you. Will it extend down to Venezuela? Yes, thank you. Will it extend past Venezuela? No, thank you. So it will only hit the other side of Colombia on the eastern coast in Venezuela? Yes, thank you. Will it hit the Caribbean islands? Yes, thank you. Will it affect the entirety of the Caribbean islands? Yes, okay, thank you. Does that include the Bahamas? Yes, thank you. Can you tell us who will be POTUS during the time these earthquakes and tsunamis happen? H, A, R, R. Are you saying Harris? Yes, thank you. Is there a chance Joey B could be POTUS during this time? Yes, thank you. Is there a chance F45 could be POTUS around this time? No, thank you. Will this earthquake and tsunami hit next week between the 16th and the 22nd? Yes, thank you. Just to confirm, will it hit the 23rd through the 29th? No, thank you. Will it hit either the 30th or the 31st? No, thank you. So going off of my last video, or really my last couple videos, you're saying this earthquake and tsunami will hit during F45's removal. Yes, thank you. And you're saying Harris could be POTUS during this time because of Joey B's passing? Yes. Thank you. Is it for sure he will pass next week? No, thank you. Is it for sure he will pass this month? Possibly. Okay. Thank you. So there is a chance that Harris, I keep forgetting to use Harris's nickname, so there's a chance the Lotus could be POTUS after the earthquake and tsunami event. Yes, okay, thank you. And just to confirm again, it is for sure that F45 will not be POTUS during these events. Okay. So they're saying no, he will not be POTUS. Just asking again to give some, give it ease of mind. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for coming and watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you are in these areas that we were talking about that may be hit by either these earthquakes or the tsunamis, please do whatever you can to stay safe. I don't know the protocols for an earthquake or a tsunami, but listen to whoever is giving you safety instructions. Please protect yourselves, protect your family the best you can, okay? But with all that said, again, thank you for coming by and watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!